The Audi Q5 is a compact luxury crossover SUV produced by Audi since back in 2008. I would like to proudly present the all-new 2017 Audi Q5 in Daytona Gray Pearl. With sharp look and smooth handling, the new Q5 definitely turns head everywhere it goes. The standard LED daytime running lights and the standard Xenon Plus headlights give the Q5 its unmistakable appearance. Similar to all other Audi models, the Q5 is also engineered with the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and also gives you a choice of two powerful engines to choose from, which is the 2-liter or the 3-liter TFSI engine. When inside, the new Audi is packed with technologies that will keep you busy and amazed. Intuitive driver assistance and available multimedia system helps you navigate and entertain to make everyday driving a little easier, much cooler, and much more enjoyable. Here's the key fob to the new Q5. On there we have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic button in red. You can also press the button on the back to release the manual key. Now let's go ahead and unlock the car, start it up, and let you listen to the exhaust note. Of course, the new Q5 is equipped with a smart keyless access entry, so all you have to do is leave the keys in your pocket or purse. To unlock, simply put your hands behind the handle, and to lock, simply touch on the outer side right there. Here's a quick view of the interior. Interior comes in full leather with dark wood trims. To start the engine, push your foot down the brake and press the start button located right here. Under the hood, this specific 2017 Audi Q5 features the 2-liter TFSI i4 engine that pushes out 220 horsepower and 258 pound-foot of torque. It is a 8-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic all-wheel drive system. The Q5 can hit from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 7 seconds, and its top speed is limited to 130 miles per hour. As for fuel economy, the Q5 gets 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 miles per gallon on the highway, and 22 miles per gallon combined. Gas mileage will also vary depending on how you drive the vehicle and which driving mode you're currently in. The new Q5 also features the intelligent stop and start technology, which will automatically shut off the engine when you come to a complete stop and will immediately restart when you let your foot off the brake. Lastly, the Q5 has the ability to tow up to 4,400 pounds. Up front, there's the rain-sensing power intermittent windshield wiper with adjustable speed. Moving down, we have the Audi Q5 single signature frame grille with chrome outline along with the Audi logo right in the center. To enhance visibility, there's the Audi Adaptive Xenon Plus headlights along with the Audi signature LED daytime running lights. Headlamps are fully automatic. At the bottom, we have the beautiful pair of fog lights. Parking assists are also integrated into the front to notify the driver whenever the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. Over to the side, there's the body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, power adjustable feature, power folding, heated function, auto dimming, and the blind spot monitor assist. Just a quick look to the lower side. With the optional Premium Plus package, this specific model features the 19-inch 5-arm Star Designs wheels with all-season tires. Behind the wheels, we have the 4 ventilated disc brakes with anti-lock braking system, electronic brake pressure distribution, and brake assist. Also, all 4 wheels are equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. Looks very eye-catching. To the back, starting from the top, we have the rear spoiler with integrated LED brake light right in the center. Looks very cool and nice from the side. Rear windshield wiper with adjustable speed. The rear is equipped with a rear view camera that automatically turns on when the car is put into reverse. This is a great safety feature to assist driver in backing and parking. And to aid driver behind us see us better, the Q5 tail lamps, brake lights, and turn signal lights are all LEDs. Parking assists are also integrated into the rear for safety. Lastly, we have the rear diffuser that hooks the chrome exhaust tip very nicely. As for the gas tank, just make sure the car is unlocked. Simply push in to open. And push back to close. And as you know, Audi does require premium unleaded gasoline. Now let's check what we have inside the trunk. It does race automatically with the power control. We have all the car mats there. Here's the trunk cover, first aid kit, 12-volt car charger outlet, trunk light, hook. Simply pull this down to fold down the rear seat. Same thing on this side. There's all your wiring. Below here we have additional storage compartment, and your spare tire is also fine down here. Also hooks on both sides. Here's a quick look to the front there. You also have a spot there for you to put tools. And simply press this button to close the tailgate power. Here's to show you a complete view of the top. The top can be tilted or opened fully for an open air feeling. Also features a panoramic moonroof. As for the driver's side door, very nicely designed with the dark wood trim there. Side assist, door lock and unlock button. For power window control, window lock at the bottom, side view mirror control on top, side door storage compartment, tailgate release there, brake and gas pedal, hood release lever, power front seat control with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the driver's seat. Adjustable seatbelt placement. The lock and unlock feature does work on all four doors. Here's a quick look at the back. Same style design as you see in the front door. You can also lock the doors from back here. Power window control. Side door compartment. Now again, I am 5'7", weighing about 150 pounds. This will give you a better idea of how much leg space you'll have sitting in the back. I feel very fine and comfortable back here. Back seat net storage compartment. Complete view of the front from sitting in the back here. Very luxurious and clean. 2 additional air vent. Another 12-volt core charge outlet. Middle portion is split and raised. On the end, you do have additional cup holders. Closer look at the back seat. Back seat does have the built-in latch system for you to safely secure down baby seats if you need to. Look to the back. Also have hook on top there. Here's the light control. On board with a spot for you to hang your clothes. Additional hook there. And additional hook on both sides. You can also pull this lever up to fold down the seat. This will give you more space to carry longer things. And quick look to the top here. Also looks very nice when it is open. Here it is fully open. It is tinted. And we are back in the driver's seat. Here we have the multi-spoke steering wheel. Looks and feel very comfortable. Over here we have the control that will allow you to control everything that's going to be displayed here on the digital dash, along with your audio modes control. Trip reset button there. Audi logo in the middle with the horn. Voice command option, audio volume control. Windshield wiper control. Right and left turn signal with high beam control. Cruise control. And way below there we have the lever in which you can control the steering wheel placement if you pull this up. And to lock the steering wheel back in place, simply push it back down. Driver air vent. Headlamps control. Interior lighting dimming there. Driver sun visor. You can also move the entire piece over to the side for better sun coverage. Handbar on top. Moving to the middle, you have the navigation display system. Looks very nice and clean. Hazard light control. Additional air vents in the middle. And there's a spot for you to put your key fob. If you press down on it, the engine will automatically turn off. Simply start it again there. That's where you insert your CD. Hill descent control, traction control, and parking assist. Climate control. Removable ashtray and a cigarette lighter, which can also be used as a 12-volt core charge outlet. Here's the gear shift box. To control, push your foot down the brake, press the button on the side. Move it down to R to put the car into reverse. When you do so, rear view camera automatically display here on the screen with guided lines which move according to the movement of the steering wheels. Very nice safety feature. D for drive, over to the right for manual mode, and simply push up or down to change gears. Over here we have the power parking brake, engine start and stop button, audio volume control, and simply push over to the right or left to change channels, and press down to mute. This is the main control center. This knob is twistable, and press down to select. The knob on top is also movable, and on four corner you have the different selection display. Let's go ahead and show you a quick view of the display here. Here's the main menu, navigation view, telephone view, radio view, and media view. Core menu setting, 2 cup holders, middle armrest compartment. You can slide forward for a better feel of the armrest. Inside we have another 12-volt core charger outlet, glove box compartment. There's also a HDMI connector in there. Here's a complete view of the dash. Moving on up, we have the auto dimming rearview mirror, which also tell you which direction you're heading to. Here's a spot for you to put your glasses. Light control. Additional light here. We also have the universal garage door opener. You can simply input the codes and use these 3 buttons to open and close your garage doors. And the roof control. Here it is fully closed. And let's go ahead and open it and show you what it looks like. Looks very nice, as you can see. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks everyone for watching, and as always, make sure to leave me comments and feedback as to what you think about this car below. For more future car reviews, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and also make sure to check out our official Facebook page and my vlog channel for our everyday activity. Again, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next video review.